What's going on, everybody? It's Coop Performance here. Um, I'm just showing off a troubleshooting video for this Raptor 660. I was having a issue to where it would just cut out no matter what. No matter what it did to the carburetor, I did a top end on this thing, trying to chase this down. But I did some talking on some Facebook groups about this thing just cutting out. Blah blah blah. Nothing will do it. I changed jets, needle positions, floats, positions, everything, and just never got it to rev out. So I did some talking on Facebook, and some guys said around about a reverse safety switch. And I did notice that my reverse light would flicker whenever I would rev it out. So I figured that was kind of weird. Didn't really think anything of it, but then they mentioned reverse safety switch, and I kind of put two and two together. And they said there's a wire on the CDI box out here in the back by the battery that you can cut and ground nut to the frame, and it'll tell the CDI that everything's all good. The wire is... I'll let you see if you guys can see it. Right there. This is the extension, obviously. So it's the green with the white stripe. I just grounded that out straight to battery, and the problem went away. It revs out perfectly. This thing is a very great running bike. I ended up getting this thing for $1,500, and I saw the Elkas on it, and I knew instantly I would pay that for the bike, even if it was just had the Elkas. But it turns out it has the Elkas. It had a carbon fiber hood, which I sanded down and re-cleared it. I will be redoing the plastics. I'm even gonna buff them to see how they come out. I think they'll come out really well. But yeah, it had obviously the Nerf bars. It had the full Yoshimura exhaust, very loud, like almost obnoxious. But it's got a tusk rear axle. I put brand new Sun Fs around it. I ordered an engine nut and bolt kit for it, so the whole top end is all grade 8 Allen bolts now. If you guys are looking for a awesome toolkit, Matco, a little pricey, it's perfect. It has every little bit. You can put it in your pocket, and I just keep a pair of pliers back there as well. But this thing is a beast. I did the top end and never got to ride it because it was still cutting out, so I didn't realize it. But the clutch is shot, so I got a clutch arriving today. I'll probably do a video on how to do that. It should be pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. Yeah. What else we got? Pro tapers, obviously, and man, the Elkas are something else. They are super soft, super just flowy. Like it's also got forgot to mention, it's got full flight front arms. Whenever I redid the entire thing, all new bearings. I ordered a rebuild kit for these from Full Flight themselves, so it's got new ball joints, new heims. Everything, man. New grips. If anyone knows where I can get that replaced, I'm gonna get both new ones. And I also want the graphics. Obviously, I know these are stickers, but I want the fake carbon looking kind of deals, you know. But yeah, just let me know. I'm also having an issue in this thing to where I go to crank it, and it's in neutral. It's got good volts. I don't understand what the issue is. It is 11-to-1, stage 1 hot cam. Obviously, that probably has something to do with it, but if you guys have any information, please let me know. It's kind of a shorter video. Just wanted to get straight to the point. Kind of introduce my Raptor. I will be posting a lot more videos. I am currently rebuilding a 2016 YZ250. In the process right here. You know, big block. I build boat motors. This thing is a 83 Evinrude 35 with a jet pump on it, obviously. Here's the power head for it. I am doing I shaved the head right there. So that should bump the compression up to 150. Stock is 120. It's getting all new gaskets. I'm going to kind of clean up the exhaust ports, trim that. Light flywheel, ported intake, sport reeds. It's kind of a mess. Excuse me. We have projects everywhere. Parts, motors. But yeah, guys. Please just like, comment, subscribe. Check out me on Facebook at Coon Performance and Motorsports. Got any questions, just give me a text. Located in the about 45 minutes west of St. Louis, Missouri. So if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, yeah, just follow me on Coon Performance. Feel free to text me. Yeah, you guys have a good rest of your day, and see y'all.